COVID-19 graph in Odisha leaps to 1200 above, striking it at 79%. Odisha Child Rights Commission opposes girls' marriage age raise, Rights to Parliament Standing Committee. India registers 58,097 new cases of COVID-19, 534 deaths. Precautionary dose beneficiaries need not re-register themselves, affirms COVIN chief. Prime Minister Narendra Modi steps in Punjab today after farm law repeal, inaugurates projects worth Rs 42,750 crore. French TV stars Bogdanov twins die of COVID days apart. Gharaya release postponed, new date February 11. In a massive jump, Odisha on Wednesday almost crossed 79% rise in COVID-19 cases in last 24 hours and the R value rises to 1.7. It is a quantum rise as Odisha witnessed 1200 cases of COVID-19, taking it to a whopping 79% mark, and which is a matter of concern for all. Although in view of the fast spread of corona infections, the Chief Minister in a proactive mode has already drawn a battle line on Tuesday, asking the departments concerned to gear up besides establishing COVID hospitals on a war footing. Opposing the centre's decision to increase the minimum legal age of marriage for girls from 18 to 21 years, the Odisha State Commission for Protection of Child Rights has recommended in favor of bringing down the minimum marriage age for men to 18. In a letter to Vinay Sahasrabuddhe, the chairperson of Parliament Committee on Education, Women, Children, Youth and Sports, chairperson of OSC PCR Sandhyapati Pradhan, said, "Change of legislation in isolation will never be able to stop child marriage unless there is the socio-behavioral change among the parents and community. Factors like distress and poverty, patriarchal norms and practices, lack of opportunity for schooling, employment and the like are still contributing in a large extent in the prevalence of child marriage." India recorded 58,097 fresh COVID-19 infections in the past 24 hours, which is almost 55% higher than Tuesday's tally of 37,379. The total death toll climbed to 4,82,551 with the addition of 534 related fatalities in the last 24 hours. A total of 2,135 cases of Omicron variant of coronavirus have been reported across 23 states and union territories so far, out of which 828 have recovered or migrated. Maharashtra has recorded the maximum number of 653 Omicron cases, followed by Delhi at 464, Kerala 185, Rajasthan 174 and Gujarat 154 cases. CEO of National Health Authority and COVIN, Dr. R.S. Sharma, informed that those eligible for the third dose of the COVID-19 vaccine will not be required to re-register themselves on the COVIN app. Sharma mentioned that beneficiaries of the precautionary dose can schedule their appointment from the same account used to receive the previous doses of COVID-19 vaccines. We have made a few changes and updated the COVIN app given the next phase of our nationwide vaccination drive against COVID-19, which has started with adolescents, he said while speaking to the media. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Firozpur in Punjab on 5th January at around 1 p.m. and laid the foundation stone of multiple development projects worth more than Rs 42,750 crore. These projects include Delhi-Amritsar Katra Expressway, 4-laning of Amritsar-Una section, Mukerian-Talwara new broad gauge railway line, PGI Satellite Center at Firozpur and 2 medical colleges at Kapurthala and Hoshiarpur. The consistent endeavor of the Prime Minister to improve connectivity all across the country has led to multiple national highway development initiatives being taken up in the state of Punjab. French TV star Agon Bogdanov has died of COVID 6 days after his twin brother died of the same disease. They are dead from COVID. They were both at the same hospital. Grishka died 6 days earlier than Igor. CNN quoted Maitre Edward de Lames, the brothers' lawyer, as confirming on Tuesday. He said the brothers had been admitted to the Georges Pompidou Hospital since December 15 after contracting COVID in November. Shakun Batra's much-awaited romance drama Gharaya, that was scheduled to be released on January 25, will now release on February 11. Sharing posters of the film, Karan Johar made the announcement on Instagram. He wrote, "We can see the shore. Till then, we will dive into your love." #Gharaya on Prime releases February 11.